Yardie Belly's kitchen. Today we're doing what we're doing today, see?
Just a roast chicken in the oven with random stuff on it.
You just a roast a chicken. Alright, so what we have in the little food processor? I'm gonna show the food processor. What do we have in this food processor here?
Half of an onion, 2 stalks of scallion, a couple sprigs of thyme, 8 or so garlic cloves, some pimento, a little piece of ginger.
What a brown something there?
It's a ginger sauce, soy ginger sauce.
Okay, so about 2-3 tablespoons of that.
Yeah, and some Moore's original marinade.
Okay.
And some soy sauce.
And you have to process this right now?
And this is a little bit of jerk marinade thingy.
Only jerk.
Yeah.
So we're gonna process this now. So here we have a medium-sized bird, you call that?
Small, medium, yeah.
Small to medium, and we're gonna try butterfly this, okay? So, you want to use a knife, use a knife. Or you want me to do it? We'll try butterfly this so that we open it up, so we can just put all of the jerk seasonings in the cavity, right in the belly there. So, go ahead, girl. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm just adding some seasonings right now. I just added this. Garlic galloping.
You just added what?
Jodie's Kitchen herb and spice blend galloping garlic. I'm gonna put a little cumin on it. And we did mention that we just butterfly the chicken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. About a tablespoon estimated.
Mm-hmm. And you notice I put it mostly in the inside part of the bird.
The cavity.
You notice it come in have a little smell?
Yeah.
It pungent, you know? I'm not sure. I don't know if I can describe it.
And we have some red cayenne pepper here.
The cayenne pepper is almost done. I have to go buy more. About a teaspoon.
Do you take a paprika?
I'm going to take a paprika. Cinnamon.
Synonym.
And cinnamon, I've been learning that cinnamon can be used in a lot of savory dishes. You know, enough to use in only sweet. So you use about half a teaspoon. You know, little bit, enough to use that much.
Ginger.
I use ginger powder. This one from Island Spice. And you can use about a teaspoon or close to a teaspoon.
If it would cooperate, that would be good. Let's see.
And we'll look for something else. If we can find some paprika. The smoked paprika. Put a little more. Like
so I'm not selfish with the inside. One butter, other side.
Yeah, because you see through the skin is on. A lot of the ingredients don't really penetrate the skin. So when you do the wet one, when you put the wet one in because the wet one have oil, it will marinate a little bit, you know. Complete seasoning. And I'm 100% favorite because it have salt, but hey.
And the belle of the ball is our all natural blended marinade.
Yeah, and of course, you know the ingredients right there. And we keep it rustic. It not blend out fine.
Right.
You know, it blend nice and thing, and then now you're gonna get your hands in there and mix up and blend that up and squeeze in and stuff. So we'll show you what go on. Oh, you're afraid for the next finger? You're afraid the next finger burn you?
So can we be kind to the other side now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm just worried about it.
All right, see that? Me notice you not put no country pepper.
No, because I think I'm gonna put a little jerk seasoning on it. Some
You
Walker's
need
wood
Walker's
type.
wood.
Which you know
I'm
the
afraid
pepper.
of the pepper. So guys, you can add your own pepper. You can add as much pepper as you want. This is just a regular everyday meal. It's not no big fancy nothing. We're gonna put it in the oven and make it roast. You know, so it's really roast chicken. You know, with jerk. Oh, by the way, you could use some of the powdered jerk seasoning that I have there.
Where is that?
It's behind the behind the whole beer. And that one, it's at the back, and that one is will give you enough pepper because I made this one myself, guys. See it right here, so yeah, so you know what that mean. I mean make it. So I gotta add some of that jerk seasoning. You know what? Add too much, guys. It's really strong.
Even if I'm not putting the other jerk one?
You know how to put the other jerk one when you put this. You're good to go. Turn it over.
Oh, my friend over.
And then you have to turn it over to Jesus. Turn it over to Jesus. Turn it over to...
And
Mela sneeze now.
We had put some oil in the blended marinade, so we don't need to add any more oil.
So you can make this stay now and basically marinate, cover it, put it in the fridge, the bottom of the fridge, and make it marinate for the next 2-3 hours, even overnight. Overnight would be ideal, you know, and then you're good to go. Yes, man. Everyday, simple, oven roasted chicken with jerk flavors and seasoning and spices and styles and everything. So it's been about 2 or 3 hours and our chicken has been marinated, and I have with me here Joshua, my boy, and he has washed his hand, right? You wash your hand, right?
Yes.
And I'm gonna take out the chicken and we're gonna put it in this container here, which is our Pyrex dish. And the Pyrex dish, we oil it. Where do we tell me now?
We oil it.
Just stop playing now.
Yeah, we just put some of the olive oil blend on it. Just to coat it, so that
and it did in the oven.
Yeah, so it's hot now.
Okay, good. So go, Josh. We're ready for roast with chicken.
And it's gonna be skin side down, right?
You can use your hand in, Joshua. You don't have to use all of that, the mechanism where you have right there. So if you drop the chicken, you drop the chicken in here today.
I don't want to get my hands dirty.
Dirty.
Chicken leaves stain.
Chicken leaves stain in your belly when you eat it.
Come on, do it. Real quick. Come on. Yes.
Boom.
Boy.
Alright, now
Fix him in the pan.
I wonder if we must put it on the skin side.
Where it normally go again? Skin side?
Skin side is usually up.
Up.
Well,
yeah.
So you want to turn it over?
Yep.
Or you want to start it on the side and then turn it over? Yes, let's start it on this side. You gonna mash up my phone?
My bad.
Start it on the side there and then turn it over. So we're gonna put it in the oven, and the oven has been set to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put it in the oven, guys. And yeah, chicken a bake. So we put it in for about 10 minutes.
Yep.
And we're now gonna cover the container. You see it start brown up and firm up and nice up. We'll cover the container now with foil and put it back because we don't want it dry out. You understand?
Should we flip it now?
If you want, you can flip it now. Flip the bird. Flipping the bird.
Where the flipper? I'm gone.
The flipper boy gone, yes. Take your time. Alright. So we'll flip the bird. And we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil and put it back for maybe about an hour. Or thereabouts. 45 minutes.
Turkey.
It can't stay long, man. Low and slow, them call it. Low and slow.
Fall off the bone juicy.
Yep. So we'll put it back in the oven now. So it's been about an hour, guys, and we're ready to take out this thing. You know, me say we check for doneness. Now, as you can see, I not take it out. I just check for doneness. As you can
Somewhere?
see,
Doneness?
yeah, doneness. Doneness. Yeah, man, it's a to coin a phrase. What me I don't know is the little juices where they in the pot. May I use it for base this because me I go put it back uncovered and put the heat high. You know. See this the foil paper make the skin come out. So we just have to base this now and then put it back in the pot for in the oven for another couple of minutes on high heat. It's been on 350. I'm gonna kick it up a notch to maybe about 4. And I put it under the broiler, you know, just something to make the skin come crisp up, you know. And then we cut it up and serve it how we want to serve it. Remember me tell you? Yes. So guys, here's the finished dish. Yes. And the wifey put 1/2 of the chicken on the plate. Yes, that is fair side. And we just want you guys to see what come out of it. You just easy bake, just take your time, you know, put it in your oven and make your chicken work for you. You understand? Beautifully done after you know, put it under the broiler for a couple of minutes and it turned out awesome. Really good. Yeah. Baked or roasted chicken with jerk seasoning, or you know, I don't know what to call that one. Yeah. And of course, you see, we serve with salad, nice broccoli and mix up salad right there up on the side. Hey, remember, join us in the kitchen for our next meal prep. Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. Search me on Instagram at Rev Saint Hope. Search for me on Facebook, Yardie Belly's TV. And yeah, continue to do your thing. Remember to check out the description box. I saw the thing said. Remember, peace.